In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pipedrive to Zapier in 3 minutes. By the end, your Pipedrive account will be linked to Zapier so you can start automating tasks between your CRM and the other tools you use. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to both Pipedrive and Zapier in your browser, and that you have permission to install apps in your Pipedrive account. Start in Pipedrive. Look to the top right of the screen and click My Apps. This is your hub for managing and discovering integrations. On that page, choose Browse Marketplace. This opens Pipedrive's official marketplace where you can safely add vetted apps to your account. In the Marketplace search bar, type Zapier by Zapier Inc. You're looking specifically for the app published by Zapier Inc., which ensures you're installing the official connector. Click the Zapier app to open its details page, where you can quickly review what it does and the permissions it needs. When you're ready, click the button to authorize or install. Next, Pipedrive will prompt you to select the company and the user you want to connect with Zapier. If you manage multiple companies or have access to more than one environment, choose the correct one for your automations. It's a good idea to confirm you're using the right user profile as well. Ideally, one with the access needed to read and update the data you plan to automate. When you're confident with the selection, click to allow and install the integration. You'll likely see a short list of permissions. Review them and continue. At this point, you'll be asked to log into your Zapier account and authorize the connection on Zapier's side too. If you're already signed in, Zapier may simply prompt you to grant access. If you use a specific workspace or have more than one account, double-check you're connecting the intended one so your automations stay organized. Approve the authorization and wait a moment while the two services complete the handshake. That's all. You've connected Pipedrive to Zapier. If anything seems off, like you don't see My Apps in the top right or you get a permissions error, check that you're using a web browser, that your Pipedrive role allows app installs, and that you're signed into the correct accounts. You can always repeat the process if you selected the wrong company or user. Thanks for watching. With the connection in place, you're ready to streamline your workflows and save time with automations powered by Pipedrive and Zapier.